talk about the light of the pool. You do not have to drain your pool, not like we did, because we listened to the installer. It is an old pool, to be fair. But 77,000 litres, 250, 300 quid probably. And why? If I show you now the lights underwater without draining the pool, you can see how easy it is to unscrew them or lift them out. And they're usually on a long wire, and then you can put them on the side of the pool. Make sure you're obviously So as you can see, quite straightforward. You just lift it off the bracket, but with older ones they're usually screwed in. So you screw them out, you undo the screws, and away you go. Don't forget to subscribe.